brush holder on Amazon. We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that open for me right there. Got a bag in a box right here. Let's just go ahead and undo that. Okay, first of all, you get a nice size right here. This is awesome. Ooh, I like that sound. Listen. Boop. So you got the top part right there. Man, this could also work as like a cup. If you like to use mouthwash, simply put some in there. Drink right up from there. And this right here is your main cavity. Oh, look, it looks like this bottom part comes off as well. Yeah, check that out. That's actually really cool because whenever you have your toothbrush down in a toothbrush holder, eventually this will probably start to get, some residue on it, water dripping, all that type of stuff. So to be able to open that up, to be able to clean it out really easily is super cool. I like that. As I mentioned, this is a good size as well. Let's see, I'm going to put it back together just like this. And then let me grab the Dad Views tape measure right there, and we'll test this thing on out, see the size of it. So you're looking at right at about 7 3/4 inches tall right there. This part right here across the top, you're looking at about 2 inches by 2.5 inches right there. Then the little container part right here from the inside, you're looking at right at 3.5 inches, maybe like a hair bigger than that. And then this piece right here just goes all the way through. You're looking at 4 and like 1/8 of an inch. So you got a good size right here. If you need to put more than one toothbrush in, you can do that. I have just kind of a standard toothbrush right here. Throw that one right on into there. You can see it goes right on up to right at the edge right there. So this is going to be perfect for that. I mean, honestly, you could put a whole tube of toothpaste in there as well, so that you could just keep your toothbrush and your toothpaste all in one container. And then, like I said, you got this little guy right here that you can use either mouthwash or if you just want to rinse out your mouth with some water after brushing, simply fill this up, swirl it around and whatnot, and then you can spit it out from there. I believe these come in a few different colors as well. So if there's a particular color that you're looking for, definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best for you. And, if you're using these for like a travel type of thing, you could get a different color for everyone whose toothbrush that you're packing so that everybody knows whose is whose. You could probably also write on this or put like a label on it or something like that if you wanted to kind of label everyone's as well. But y'all definitely go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you're looking for. Hey, y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for us. Y'all go and add this to your cart if this is something that you want. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I could show it off to y'all. One last thing I wanted to look at on here is the main material is PP. It is the product size. They have it in millimeters here, so I figured I'd share that with you guys. 65 by 52 by 200 millimeters. And then this color right here says white/gray. So that tells me that they probably have a few other colors on there as well. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys again for sending this to me. And Dad out.